Hey everybody, this is Ellen, your crazy baker chick. Really quick, super quick video to say that sometimes from the time I make a video and later when I make my recipes again, I tweak the recipes a little. I put in maybe a little more one ingredient than the other. Like for example, with my brown bread or pumpernickel bread, I took out some of the molasses and added some honey because to me it was a little bit bitter and needed to be slightly sweeter with honey, and I think it really improved it. And my challah recipe I made so long ago, I gave the ingredients in the video, but I changed them in the written recipe. So always, always, always use what's in the written PDF form of the recipe that you are linked to in the description of my videos. Don't use the amounts if I've given them in a video. I don't do that anymore. I don't think I do that anymore. Maybe I don't know. But anyway, only use the recipe as written and not the amounts I say in my video because I tweak them all the time. Thanks.